Welcome to day 1 of our 7-day organization challenge. Today, we're starting with something small, but incredibly powerful: decluttering your mind by decluttering your space. Did you know that a cluttered space can lead to a cluttered mind? Studies show that physical clutter can overwhelm our senses, reducing our ability to focus and process information. Let's start with a small area that has a big impact: your desk. This is where you focus, create, and make important decisions. But if it's cluttered, so is your mind. Step 1. Clear everything off your desk. Yes, everything. This gives you a clean slate and a fresh perspective on what you really need. Step 2. Mindful decluttering. Ask yourself, do I use this daily? Does this item add value to my work or life? If the answer is no, it might be time to let it go. Step 3. Organize and refresh. Only put back the essentials, and consider adding something that brings you joy, like a plant or a personal photo. And there you have it, a clean, organized space that will help clear your mind and boost your focus. Remember, decluttering is not just about tidying up, it's about creating a space that supports your well-being and productivity. So take a deep breath, enjoy your new space, and get ready for tomorrow's challenge. Don't forget to share your progress with us using #7dayorganizeechallenge. We can't wait to see your transformations.